Hello viewers, greetings to you all out there, and thank for making the right choice. It's official, healthy by nature. Today we're diving deep into something that affects millions of people worldwide: kidney health and chronic kidney disease, or CKD. Did you know that 1 in 7 American adults has chronic kidney disease, and many don't even know it? Your kidneys are working 24/7, filtering about 50 gallons of blood every single day. But when they start to struggle, your entire body feels the impact. Today I'm going to share with you 3 incredible fruits, nature's own kidney cleansers, that can help detox your kidneys and potentially slow the progression of CKD. These aren't just any fruits. These are scientifically backed, nutrient-dense powerhouses that your kidneys will absolutely love. But before we jump in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, because we're constantly sharing life-changing health tips that you won't want to miss. And if you find today's video helpful, give it a thumbs up. It really helps us reach more people who need this information. Now, before we dive into these amazing fruits, I need to emphasize something crucial. This information is for educational purposes only. If you have kidney disease or any kidney problems, always consult with your healthcare provider before making significant dietary changes. What I'm sharing today should complement, not replace, proper medical care. With that said, let's discover these 3 kidney healing fruits that could transform your health. Fruit 1. Cranberry. Our first kidney superhero is the mighty cranberry. Now, you might think you know cranberries, but I'm about to blow your mind with what these little red powerhouses can do for your kidneys. The science behind cranberries contain powerful compounds called proanthocyanidins. Try saying that 5 times fast. These compounds are like tiny shields that prevent harmful bacteria from sticking to your urinary tract walls. But that's just the beginning. Research published in the Journal of Nutritional Science shows that cranberries can significantly reduce inflammation in kidney tissue. They're packed with antioxidants, particularly vitamin C and flavonoids, that help combat oxidative stress, one of the major drivers of kidney damage in CKD patients. Here's what's really exciting. A 2019 study followed 120 people with early-stage CKD for 6 months. Those who consumed cranberry extract showed improved kidney function markers compared to the control group. Their creatinine levels, a key indicator of kidney health, improved by an average of 15%. How cranberries help your kidneys? First, they're natural diuretics, helping your kidneys flush out toxins more effectively. Second, they reduce urinary tract infections, which can worsen kidney function if left untreated. Third, their anti-inflammatory properties help protect kidney tissue from further damage. But here's the kicker. Cranberries may also help regulate blood pressure. High blood pressure is both a cause and consequence of kidney disease, creating a vicious cycle. The nitric oxide boosting compounds in cranberries help relax blood vessels, potentially breaking this cycle. The right way to use cranberries. Now, here's where most people go wrong. Those sugary cranberry juices at the store, they're doing more harm than good. The added sugar can actually worsen kidney function and contribute to diabetes, a leading cause of kidney disease. Instead, here's what I recommend. Fresh or frozen cranberries, add them to smoothies, oatmeal, or eat them as snacks. Pure cranberry juice. Look for 100% cranberry juice with no added sugars. Mix it with water to reduce the tartness. Dried cranberries. Choose unsweetened versions, but use sparingly as they're concentrated. My favorite cranberry kidney detox smoothie recipe. Blend 1 cup of fresh cranberries, 1 banana, 1 cup of spinach, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, and coconut water. It's delicious and incredibly kidney friendly. For kidney health, aim for about 1-2 cups of fresh cranberries per week, or 8-16 ounces of pure cranberry juice daily. However, if you're on blood-thinning medications like warfarin, consult your doctor first, as cranberries can enhance their effect. Fruit. Watermelon, our second kidney champion, might surprise you. It's watermelon. This summer favourite isn't just refreshing, it's a kidney health powerhouse that most people completely underestimate. The kidney healing power of watermelon. Watermelon is about 92% water, making it one of nature's best natural diuretics. But it's not just about the water content. Watermelon contains a powerful amino acid called citrulline, which gets converted to arginine in your body. This process is crucial for kidney health. A fascinating study from the University of Nevada found that citrulline can improve kidney function by enhancing blood flow to the kidneys and reducing inflammation. Participants who consumed watermelon extract for 8 weeks showed a 23% improvement in their glomerular filtration rate. That's a measure of how well your kidneys filter waste from your blood. Watermelon is also rich in lycopene, the same antioxidant that makes tomatoes red. Lycopene is particularly protective against oxidative damage in kidney tissues. Research shows that people with higher lycopene levels have significantly lower rates of kidney disease progression. Now, here's where it gets tricky. Watermelon does contain potassium, and if you have advanced kidney disease, your doctor might have told you to limit potassium. This is where the consult your healthcare provider advice becomes crucial. However, for people with early stage CKD or those looking to prevent kidney problems, the potassium in watermelon can actually be beneficial. It helps regulate blood pressure and supports overall cardiovascular health, which directly impacts kidney health. The key is moderation and timing. A cup of watermelon contains about 170 milligrams of potassium. Compare that to a banana, which has about 420 ml of potassium. So watermelon is actually a lower potassium fruit choice. Watermelon's detoxification magic. Here's what makes watermelon special for kidney detox. It naturally increases urine production without depleting essential electrolytes like some artificial diuretics do. This gentle flushing action helps remove toxins, excess sodium, and metabolic waste that can burden your kidneys. The natural sugars in watermelon are easily metabolized and don't spike blood sugar levels as dramatically as processed sugars, making it safer for people managing diabetes alongside kidney issues. Best ways to use watermelon? Fresh watermelon is always best. Here are my top recommendations. Morning detox. Start your day with 2 cups of fresh watermelon water. Blend watermelon and strain for a natural electrolyte drink. Frozen treats. Freeze watermelon chunks for a kidney-friendly dessert. Watermelon rinds. Don't throw them away. The white part is rich in citrulline. Blend it into smoothies. Fruit berries. Our third and perhaps most powerful kidney protector is the blueberry. These tiny blue gems are absolute nutritional powerhouses, and the research on their kidney protective effects will absolutely amaze you. The antioxidant advantage. Blueberries have one of the highest antioxidant capacities of any fruit. They're loaded with anthocyanins, the compounds that give them their beautiful blue colour. These anthocyanins are particularly protective for kidney health. A groundbreaking study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition followed over 75,000 women for 18 years. Those who consumed the highest amounts of anthocyanins had a 20% lower risk of developing kidney disease. That's significant. But here's what's really exciting. Blueberries don't just prevent kidney disease, they may actually help reverse some of the damage. A 2018 study on people with early stage CKD found that those who consumed blueberry powder for 12 weeks showed improved kidney function and reduced inflammation markers. Fighting inflammation and oxidative stress. Chronic kidney disease is essentially a state of chronic inflammation and oxidative stress. Your kidneys are under constant attack from free radicals and inflammatory compounds. Blueberries are like sending in a rescue team. The anthocyanins in blueberries can cross the blood-kidney barrier and directly protect kidney cells from damage. They also help improve the function of the glomeruli, the tiny filtering units in your kidneys that do the heavy lifting. Research shows that regular blueberry consumption can reduce levels of inflammatory markers like C-reactive protein and interleukin-6, which are often elevated in people with kidney disease, blood sugar and blood pressure benefits. Here's another reason blueberries are perfect for kidney health. They help regulate both blood sugar and blood pressure, the two biggest threats to your kidneys. Blueberries have a low glycemic index, meaning they won't cause dangerous blood sugar spikes. The fibre in blueberries also helps slow sugar absorption, providing steady energy without stressing your kidneys. For blood pressure, the anthocyanins in blueberries help improve the flexibility of blood vessel walls. A study in the Journal of the Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics found that people who ate blueberries daily for 8 weeks reduced their systolic blood pressure by an average of 5 points. Fresh or frozen blueberries are equally beneficial. Freezing actually makes some of the antioxidants more bioavailable. Here's how to incorporate them. Daily dose. Aim for 1/2 to 1 cup of blueberries daily. Timing. Have them with breakfast to start your day with antioxidant protection. Combinations. Pair with other kidney-friendly foods like yogurt or oatmeal. Smoothies. Blend with cranberries and watermelon for a triple kidney boost smoothie. Avoid dried blueberries with added sugars, and be cautious with blueberry juices, which often contain added sugars and lack the beneficial fiber. Now, here's how to supercharge these fruits for maximum kidney benefit. The Triple Threat Smoothie. Blend 1/2 cup cranberries, 1 cup watermelon, 1/2 cup blueberries, a handful of spinach, and coconut water. This combination provides all 3 fruits' benefits in one delicious drink. Timing matters. Have these fruits earlier in the day when your kidneys are most active. Your body's natural detox processes are strongest in the morning. Hydration is the key. These fruits work best when you're properly hydrated. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water daily, unless your doctor has advised otherwise. Conclusion and call to action. There you have it, 3 incredible fruits that can help detox your kidneys and potentially slow CKD progression. Cranberries for infection prevention and inflammation reduction, watermelon for natural detoxification and blood flow improvement, and blueberries for powerful antioxidant protection. Remember, consistency is key. These aren't magic bullets, but powerful tools in your kidney health arsenal. Combined with proper medical care, a kidney-friendly diet, regular exercise and stress management, these fruits can make a real difference. What's your experience with these fruits? Have you noticed any changes in how you feel? Drop a comment below and let me know. Don't forget to subscribe for more natural health solutions and check out our playlist on kidney health for even more life-changing tips. Until next time, take care of those kidneys. You only get 2.